Welcome to my channel. It's China, and today we're going to be doing a scalp exfoliation tutorial. Okay, I'm starting on an old twist out, and let's get into the things that we will need. So need some scrunchies, hair ties, some clips, some sea salt, and I have fine ground, but you can have medium or coarse, some oil of your choice, and a container to mix it all in. A little bowl would be preferable, but that's what I got. So, okay, now we're gonna just take some sea salt, maybe about 2 tablespoons, depending on how big your head is. This was actually a little more than enough for me on my dome. Okay, and now we're going to add our oil to that. And for the oil, you want to put enough so that you don't want to dissolve the salt. You don't want the salt to be swimming. You just want it to be kind of like a paste, like any other scrub that you would see, because we're doing, a DIY scalp scrub. So and you can actually use this as a lip scrub too if you wanted to. Just I would add sugar instead of salt for the lip scrub. You can also use it as a body scrub. Now I am just mixing it with my fingers because I was too lazy to get up and get something else. Just wiping the extra off on my hair. Now I'm going to add some essential oils. We're going to add peppermint. Usually I would just do tea tree, but I don't have any. So 3 drops of this. Then I'm going to add some rosemary. And we're going to be doing 3 drops of that as well. You can actually do less too. I might have got a little out of hand. Now I'm going to add some eucalyptus. And I'm going to put 3 drops as well. Now I'm just going to be sectioning off my hair. Make sure that whenever you're doing your hair, you want to make sure that your nails are okay so that they don't get caught on your hair and break your hair. Just a FYI. And I'm going to do 3 sections parting straight back. I like to part this way so that I don't have a part down the middle of my head. Down the middle of my head is a sensitive area where I tend to get more breakage, so I don't like to part that way anymore. And if you struggle with that kind of thing, then changing the way you part your hair would definitely be beneficial for you. Try to group the more sensitive areas together. So I'm just tying off those spaces, those sections individually. Now I am going to start applying my scrub down those parts. And this does get messy. You can do this in the shower if you want, but I was doing it for you guys on the video. I probably wouldn't have gotten in the shower and did it anyway, because but by the time I was done, I was covered in salt. I just want you guys to know I was salty. Your girl was salty. But now I'm just gonna, part kind of small sections within this section and apply the scrub. and scrub it on my scalp using the pads of my fingers, not the tips of my fingers, not my nails. I'm going to be using the flats of my fingers to rub that in and scrub it up, and just keep on going, scrubbing in sections as you go. Salt kept falling in my ears. Oh my gosh, it was so annoying. I don't know if anybody else feels that way when stuff gets in your ear. Like, this was feeling so good, y'all. It was so soothing, except for when the salt was getting in my ear. So keep parting, and you're gonna don't add too much salt to each section. Don't add too much of the scrub to each section. Just a little bit, just enough to cover that part, and it'll stretch, trust me. Now at first I was looking at it, I was like, did I even make enough? But I had some left over. So now moving on to the next section. And doing the same method. I forgot to do my main part, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Just keep on going about parting and scrubbing and parting and scrubbing. Your scalp will thank you. And it just be feeling so good, y'all. It feels so nice. You apply to the whole section. You want to just scrub the whole section so you get a nice even distribution on your whole scalp, and you get the full effect. Get that blood circulating. Get your edges, but don't be too rough on your edges. Just thinking about how good that was feeling, y'all. It was feeling good. All right. Shake the salt out of your ears. Let's go ahead and finish up this middle section. Try to really take your time when you're doing it too. Just enjoy the soothing feeling of the scrub, like massaging your scalp, and really get that exfoliation. Getting rid of all those dead skin cells, all of your flaky flakes. My head, I don't usually get I don't get too much dandruff or flaky flakes in my scalp, but this is just a soothing experience. And who can't, we all have dead skin cells, so like there's nobody who won't benefit from this. Especially you get that tingling tea tree. Oh my gosh. It's just heaven. Alright, we're going to finish up this last section. And just working that in. Getting the back of your hairline and everything. Don't want to neglect any spaces. Just working that in. I had some extras, so I'm just, adding it in. Waste not, want not. Just massaging that throughout. Alright. So now you're just gonna massage it in for however long you want. That's how much I had left. Not much. Just rubbing it in until you're ready to get into the shower and rinse it out with your shampoo. Alright, thanks for watching from China with Love. See you later.